Hello everyone, today I have a review of a knife from Invictus Blades company, model Z1. Total length is 19 cm, blade length is 8 cm, blade thickness is 3 mm. The steel of the blade is M390. It's a high-class Austrian polar stainless steel, tempered to 62 HRC, perfectly keeps its sharpness. Flat grind, matte finish of the blade. On the blade itself there's a company logo depicting a griffin and the name of the steel, M319. Button lock, opening with a flipper or the button. The knife runs on ball bearings. The handle is a combination of titanium and carbon fiber in black color. A version with black and red handle scales is also available. Titanium clip, which looks very interesting. Very good elasticity. In summary, excellent quality knife, carefully made, and top materials such as titanium and M390 steel. Like all button locks, it's highly addictive to clicking. A very interesting project, simple but with a character. The possibility to quick unfolding, using and hiding with one hand is an untapped advantage. A really cool EDC tool. The link to purchase the knife is below the video. Question for you in the end, do you prefer knives with button lock or access lock? Write in a comment and justify your choice. That's all in this review, thanks for watching.